What is the most planted grape variety in Argentina? A. Carmenere, B. Cabernet Sauvignon, C. Malbec, or D. Syrah? The answer is... Hi there, I'm Jacqueline, and welcome to our channel, Hourglass of Wine. Of course, we love wine, and we also love making videos, and we love trivia. So we thought, why don't we combine all of this stuff and make a video quiz about wine? Let's get started though. There are going to be 3 levels of questions with 3 questions for each level, plus a mega boss level at the end. So try to get as many correct answers as possible. If you get all 10 questions correct, you win the prize, drum roll, of eternal glory and bragging rights. Level 1 questions. So let's start with some basic questions to warm up. Number 1. Riesling is a white grape variety native to Germany. What types of wine can be made with it? A. Ice wines, B. Sparkling wines, C. Dry white wines, or D. All of the above. If you guessed D. All of the above, you are correct. Riesling is actually a very versatile grape variety thanks to mostly its innate acidity, and pretty much any kind of wine can be made with it. So our correct answer is all of the above. Number 2. Which of the following wine regions are located in France? A. Champagne and Burgundy, B. Beaujolais and Rioja, C. Lavaux and Bordeaux, D. Chianti and Napa Valley. The answer is A. Both Champagne and Burgundy are French wine regions. 3. What is the ideal way to store a bottle of red wine? A. Horizontally in a well-lit room, B. Horizontally in a cool, dark place, C. Vertically above your stove or fridge, D. Vertically in a warm, light place. The correct answer is B, horizontally in a cool, dark place. Congratulations, you just completed level 1. But before moving on to level 2, here's a quick bonus question. Will you smash that like button? A, yes, B, no, C, maybe, D, of course. And the correct answer is D, of course you're gonna smash that like button. Level 2 questions. All right, so in level 2, things are starting to get a little bit more serious here. Number 4. Barolo is considered to be the king of Italian wines. It comes from northern Italy in the region of Piedmont, and it's among some of the most age-worthy wines in the world. But what grape variety is it made from? A. Sangiovese, B. Barbera, C. Barolo, or D. Nebbiolo? And the correct answer is D. Nebbiolo. Number 5. The Moselle is a wine region located in which country? A. Portugal, B. France, C. Austria, or D. Germany? The correct answer is D. Germany. And now for our final question of level 2. Number 6. What is the most planted grape variety in Argentina? A. Carmenere, B. Cabernet Sauvignon, C. Malbec, or D. Syrah? The answer is C. Malbec, which, according to the Instituto Nacional de Viticultura of the Republic of Argentina, has over 45,000 hectares, representing 22.9% of the total viticultural area of the country. Level 3 questions. All right, so you've made it to level 3. Congratulations, but now things are starting to get serious, so get ready. Number 7. Pinotage is one of the most widespread and highest quality grape varieties of South Africa. Technically, it is a modern crossing, but between which varieties? A. Pinot Noir and Cinsault, B. Pinot Noir and Carignan, C. Pinot Noir and Syrah, or D. Pinot Meunier and Cabernet Sauvignon? The answer is A. Pinotage is a cross between Pinot Noir and Cinsault, previously known in South Africa as Hermitage. This crossing was created in South Africa in 1924 by Abraham Perold, professor of viticulture at Stellenbosch University. Number 8. In 2023, which country in the world produced the most hectoliters of wine? A. Italy, B. Spain, C. France, or D. the United States of America? The answer is C. France. According to the International Organization of Vine and Wine, as of 2023, France is the leading country with 48 million hectoliters of wine being produced, followed by Italy in second place at 38 million hectoliters, and Spain comes in third at 28 million hectoliters. The US wraps up the top four with 24 million hectoliters of wine produced annually. Number 9. In the 1976 Judgment of Paris blind wine tasting that shocked the wine world, wines from which country won in both the red and white wine categories? A. France, B. Australia, C. Italy, or D. the United States? The answer is D, the United States, specifically from Napa Valley, California, and they won over the best French wines at the time that were considered to be the ultimate standard for quality. Really shocking because in 1976, California wines were not considered to be on par with French wines. And you have successfully completed level number 3. You have now made it to the boss level question. Are you ready? In the previously mentioned Judgment of Paris, what was the name of the winery that won Best White Wine with its Chardonnay? And what was the name of the winery that won Best Red Wine with Cabernet Sauvignon? A. Charles Shaw and Barefoot, B. Chateau Montelena and Stag's Leap, C. Robert Mondavi and Wild Horse, or D. Beringer and Inglenook? The answer is B, Chateau Montelena and Stag's Leap. All right, and that was it. Write us in the comments below and let us know how many answers you got right. And I hope you had as much fun watching and participating in this video as we did making it. And hopefully you learned something as well. If you liked the format of this video, let us know in the comments as well what other wine topics or categories you would like us to create quizzes for in the future. We would appreciate it if you could show us some love by smashing that like button, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. We can bring you more videos like this if all that happens. In the meantime, you can learn a little bit more about myself and how I moved to the best wine region in Italy, the Langhe, by clicking on this video. I will see you over there with the next Hourglass of Wine. Bye!